These are silver ants, the toughest on Earth. Their extra long legs raise their bodies off the hot sand, and when they run, they're the fastest ants on Earth. New science has revealed that these hairs are shaped like tiny prisms, perfectly reflecting the sun and stopping the ants overheating. Being the world's only hairy ant means they can stay busy clearing sand and looking for food in the full glare of the roasting midday sun. They spin round, taking bearings from the sun so they don't get lost in the burning desert.